What's up, YouTube? Extreme Power 1 here, and we're at PyroCity in Evanston. They've got deals on like certain things, like right here. They mainly carry black cat. I think they have some black mambas over here. Here's all their artilleries. Smoke and mirrors. This is they do their competitors. Some of the places around here that I'll be going to, they show all their competitor prices. Black Mambas and Black Knights. They don't carry what are they called? Excaliburs. At least not right now, I don't think. Some of their assortments. Mortar assortments. Rockets. See the show. I'm gonna be going to Phantom. I think Phantom's buy one get two free right now, so I'll be checking that out. But there's their price comparison. Hey, I've seen these. $4,000. Nitro stick. Oh, 41.5. That's pretty cool. There's their fuse. Fountains, spinners. I have to get a couple of those. I'm gonna have to get some of these too. Oops, unless I drop them. Skyrocket. Jake, you might like parachutes.
Well, the thing is, I don't have any money to spend. It's just like
You know, we did okay. It was a little slower because of the drought, but that's
Most of your stuff in Utah,
Pardon?
most of the people are
Sparklers.
A lot of it. We had people all over during the holidays. Iron Man.
That's what I might buy. How much? Instant rebate.
I know, I want to get one of these.
See and look at, oh, there's snaps, right? $15 and you get like 50/50. So what is that? 250 snap or 2,500. Small cider missiles, assortments.
How are you going to get one thing at like each store?
Godfather. Yeah, I'm gonna spend like $50 here, then $50 at Phantom.
I really want to get this because look at that.
Well, I'm gonna buy it probably.
What?
I'm gonna buy it probably.
I want some cigarettes.
You have to ask Ted.
So
More assortments.
It's like, yeah, we go out to Pyramid Lake.
Here's all the. These are. Oh, these are.
Actually, we're not bad. We have, you know, we run over
Some barrage fountains. Oh, this is the one Uber's Have Fallout was looking for. I'm not buying it for you. That looks sick. Unless I knock it over. You guys have seen all this stuff. Look at these. It's pretty cool. All their smoke walls. Roman candle. Fountains, I think. Ladybug, turtle. Novelty stuff. Kids assortment. Camo smoke. More novelties. There's their 200 grams. Garden and Springs pretty good. Bling Bling's pretty good. $500 shop. $24. It's pretty good. I don't know if you guys can read all it. Twitter glitters are so good. I love them. Might have to get a big one. Some more rockets. 500 grams. Oh, that's that one right here. $69. It's kind of expensive. They don't have buy one get one. They just have deals on some of them. El Grande. Their Pro line. Last of their 500s. And
I'm getting these. She said these are the best Roman candles.
are they? Sweet.
Yeah.
What'd Mom say?
She said I can get them. I'll just have to work and do chores and stuff.
Alright, Roman candles.
Yeah, I'm gonna put this back and get one more.
Go get a shopping cart.
What?
Go get a shopping cart. Small bottle rockets right here. More Roman candles. Did you get any one of those?
Yeah. I'll get a package on.
All their black hats. 2 for $11. Alright, that's pretty much it, guys. There's your single shots. Forgot to mention that. That's pretty much it. So, see you guys over at the next stop. Peace.